Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants!
I mean, I knew her, I knew who her dad was, but there is no way I would ever do anything to hurt her or her family. Or you, or your people. I'm not like the guys I was with.
He knows where the farm is, Rick. Where we are, he knows. Say he finds his way back to his people.
Say no! Not now! Just not now!
We'll win, Rick, win. When I've had a chance to think about it.
Don't let him kill me. Please don't.
Shut up!
We're going back. It's a man's life. I need a night to think it through.
You're gonna bring this piece of garbage. This piece of garbage. He shot at you, Rick. He ran with men who tried to kill you. You're gonna bring him back to where Lori sleeps? To where Carl sleeps?
He'll be locked up in the barn unless you bust it open.
I don't stop this.
I'm taking the night.
All right, man, you take that. You think on it, Rick. Keep struggling with it. It ain't hard, man. The right choice is the one that keeps us alive. It's always the same with you. It's like the first moment. It's whenever you're put to the test.
Stop acting like you know the way ahead, like you know the rules. There are no rules, man. We're lost.
No, man. I know exactly where I am.
You don't know shit anymore.
You can do it, Rick.
It's my call,
I
man.
don't think you can keep them safe. You don't get to make these calls anymore. I won't let you.
got a friend in me. When we roll it, goes ahead and miles and miles to a nice warm bed. You just remember what your old past is. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Raise your gun. You're gonna have to kill an unarmed man.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Dad?
Oh no.
You should be back home with Mom. Just calm down. It's not what it seems, please.
Headshot.
See it through, 'cause you